the leading English center in Vietnam, trusted by more than 3 million Vietnamese families. A working environment with international standards for thousands of teachers and teaching assistants. Let's explore what makes us successful. With 68 campuses nationwide, VUS is home to over 2,700 teachers and teaching assistants, as well as 2,000 administrative staff. As part of an effort to provide diverse educational programs of international quality, VUS offers various programs such as English for Young Learners, Teens, Adults, and IELTS Test Prep. With 100% of teachers holding internationally recognized English teaching certifications such as TESOL, CELTA, or TEFL, our teaching staff are creative and dedicated to provide the best learning experience for students. Over 2,700 teachers and teaching assistants chose VUS because we strive to create an environment that complies with international standards. In 2024, VUS was honored to receive the Master Entrepreneur Award 2024, the Inspirational Brand Award 2024, the English Center with the highest number of students achieving perfect scores on International Certificates of English Exams 2024, the Gold Preparation Center 2025 by Cambridge University Press and Assessment. At VUS, what teachers and teaching assistants gain are far beyond the classrooms.
Incredibly professional environment, super supportive staff, friendly colleagues.
I had so much support from my TAs and also TQM. Everyone at campus was very supportive. I never really had any real struggles with teaching my lessons at all.
The US supports us a lot when it comes to workshops and sharing sessions.
Through professional development activities, teachers are guided on VUS teaching methodologies and best classroom management practices. At VUS, we show the appreciation for teachers and teaching assistants in the form of seasonal gifts, regular appreciation activities from students, and campus bonding events such as Springtime Fortune, Women's Day, Mid-Autumn Festival, Halloween, and Christmas. We hold Teachers' Day celebrations to honor VUS teaching staff for their contributions to education throughout the year. It also gives them the opportunity to come together and enjoy themselves. Our Teacher Away Day is an annual outing for top-performing teachers at a gorgeous luxury resort. This occasion allows them to relax, recharge, and boost their spirits. Join VUS, the leading educational institution in Vietnam.